पणजे स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामाक लागून जावपी प्रदूषणा आड लोकांनी घातिल्ल्या याचिकांचे आपण स्वागत करता. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराच्या हलगर्जीपणान स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामाचो लोकांक त्रास सोंसचो पडटा. देखून लोकांनी फायल केल्ल्या PILक तेंको दिता अशें मत महापालिकेचो महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरातान सांगलें.
See, now the contractors, if they have not also been following, I think it is correct. If people filed, I think it is good. Also, the contractors also should learn a lesson that they also are causing a lot of inconvenience to the people. I mean, we have been out there addressing the issues of the people now since day one also. Now it's good. I welcome this. We've been going out and doing inspections also now with everything also now. So even now the works that some of the contractors have done, they have sealed some of our drains. Now we have asked them. Now I think this is the first time also that they've opened up these drains after 20 years also now. There's huge Portuguese drains that we have now. They are getting those done roads by road. Yeah, last year also, see, even I just want to remind you all, even last year also there was no major flooding in Pachim. That is the first time in I think 2 decades that it has thing. That in itself is a huge feat. We worked with the contractors gave us labor, we opened up some of the old Portuguese drains. So like that we want to make sure that this year also there are no issues.